Everyone, welcome to our channel Elimika Mtandaoni. My name is Agustino Mugosi. Today we are proceeding with a series of lectures on information system strategies, and on today's lecture we'll discuss about strategic planning for information systems in digital age. And as we are diving into how organizations can leverage information system in order to thrive in this rapidly evolving digital era. And our journey will cover the fundamentals. We will explore some practical examples and examine some tools and methodologies that you can use to craft impactful information system strategies. So let's look at what we'll achieve today. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to first understand the basics of strategic information system planning in a digital context. Then you will discover how data-driven decision-making offers a competitive advantage. Again, we'll go to the point where you will recognize the importance of cybersecurity and digital ethics, and you will learn about planning methodologies and tools that lead to effective information system strategies. With these objectives in mind, now let us start. Let's ask ourselves, what is strategic planning for information system? Strategic planning for information system involves creating a roadmap that aligns your technology investments with the long-term goals of your organization. It means that you have your organizational goals here. These are your goals, say goal 1, goal 2, goal 3. Then you have existing technologies we call information technologies. So as you are planning to invest in information technology, you must make sure that the investment that you are doing in investment in information technology aligns with the business goals of your organization. So here, the main goal here is to ensure that the investments not only support your business's objectives, but also these investments adapt to technological changes and in the end drive innovations. Take an example of Amazon. They have an information system strategy that focuses heavily on data and analytics. This allows them to enhance customer experiences and streamline operations, making them a leader in electronic e-commerce space. Now, so why is strategic information system planning crucial in today's world? First of all, it's about adaptability. Strategic information system planning ensures adaptability to technological advances. For example, technologies like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and big data. If you don't have a solid strategy, then it is not possible for you to stay ahead of these trends. So you need to strategize, you need to see in which goal what technology will be used. Second is about competitive advantage. Strategic information system planning gives organizations a competitive advantage. If you have a strong information system strategy, then it is possible for you to set apart the crowded marketplace. You can have your own marketplace, which is more efficient as compared to other marketplaces. Finally, strategic information system planning helps to optimize resources by focusing on the most impactful projects. Take a Vodacom example, for example. They strategically invest in cloud and mobile solutions to maintain their leadership in Africa's telecom market. These organizations, such as Vodacom, Tigo, Airtel. Their main goal is on telecommunications, but you may find they have expanded their marketplace into other services like financial services. But they have made use of the existing technologies so that they can maintain their leadership. That's why they have invested heavily on things like cloud solutions and mobile solutions. Nowadays, we have mobile banking services in developing countries. Now, let us proceed with data-driven decision making. Speaking of data-driven decision making, it is all about using data to guide business decisions, to guide business choices. Data-driven decision making improves accuracy, improves relevance, and responsiveness. You may find there are about 3 key elements of this approach that is called the data-driven decision making. The first element is big data, where we collect large data sets for deeper insights. Then we have artificial intelligence and other predictive analytics. Using artificial intelligence, then it is possible to forecast the trends and customer needs. Also, another element is real-time data that enables quick responses to market changes. Think of Netflix. Netflix uses data-driven strategies to recommend content personalized to individual viewers. This does not only boost engagement, but also it enhances user satisfaction. Now, let us proceed again into cybersecurity in information system strategies. Let's talk about cybersecurity, which is a cornerstone of any information system strategy. In today's interconnected world, that if you want to protect information assets, then it is important, it is very crucial to maintain trust and prevent data breaches. Cybersecurity actually focuses on the following. It focuses on data protection that ensures confidentiality and integrity. Also, cybersecurity focuses on access control, where we need to restrict sensitive information. And incident response is also important so that we can prepare for and address any cyber threats. For example, Tanzania National Identification Agency prioritizes cybersecurity to protect citizen data. This ensures that the systems are safe from any unauthorized access. In information system strategy planning, also, let's talk about ethics in information system strategy. Now, speaking of digital ethics, this is a vital consideration in information system strategy. It's about ensuring that technology is used responsibly with respect for privacy and fairness. There are some key ethical considerations that we should consider when we are talking about digital ethics in information system strategy. One is privacy. Speaking of privacy, this means respecting user data and obtain consent from them. Transparency, we need to be clear about how data is used. Lastly, it's about bias and fairness, where we need to address algorithmic biases in, for example, artificial intelligence applications. Remember when Facebook faced the scrutiny over data privacy issues, it was a wake-up call for organizations to prioritize ethical data practices. Speaking of digital ethics in information system strategy, it is very important. And as a person that studies information system, and as you are creating your plan, as you are creating your information system strategy plan, you need to make or to put into consideration digital ethics in information system strategy. Now, let us move to the methodologies, planning methodologies and tools that are used in information system strategy. Strategic planning for information system requires robust methodologies and tools. Now, here are some few most effective tools that can be used, or the methodologies. The first methodology is SWOT analysis. Speaking of SWOT analysis, here we will evaluate the strengths, the weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Another is critical success factors, where we will identify what is crucial for success. So if you are adopting or you are implementing an information system in any organization, then you must consider these methodologies. We have talked about SWOT. You need to consider the strengths, the weaknesses, opportunities, and evaluate them as you are deploying or as you are implementing or adopting a new information system. We have talked about critical success factors, where you identify what is so crucial for success. Then we have another methodology which is called the balanced scorecard. This means you need to align the activities with the business and information system goals. So you have your activities here that are done within an organization. Then you are using the technology so that you can improve efficiency or improve decision making, or whatever strategic business goal that you have. You must make sure that whatever strategic business goal that you have should be aligned with the information system goals. Doing this, aligning the activities with the business and information system goals, this is what we call balanced scorecard. But there is another methodology which is very important, that is called the PEST analysis. Speaking of PEST analysis, here we analyze 3 or 4 important factors. One is politics. Second one is economic factors, then social factors, and technological factors. All these tools provide a structural or structured way to navigate the complexities of information system planning. Now, let's take a close look at some case studies that they have used information system strategy. Let's look at NMB Bank's data-driven strategy. If you look close to how NMB Bank in Tanzania applies strategic information system planning, they have a focus. Their focus is on leveraging real-time data from mobile banking to understand customer behaviors. This approach actually allows them to adapt services to meet customer needs effectively. What is the outcome then? The higher the customer satisfaction, there is a stronger competitive position in the marketing sector. So what they focus is to increase their customer satisfaction, and by doing that, they are increasing their competitive position in the banking sector. Another, let's look at the cybersecurity and ethics in Standard Bank in Africa. Another great example is Standard Bank in South Africa. They have implemented robust cybersecurity measures and ethical practices in handling client data across multiple countries. By focusing on data protection, ethical data use, and compliance with the privacy regulation, they have strengthened the customer trust, and they have ensured there is a regulatory compliance. This underscores the importance of integrating cybersecurity and ethics into information system